Guys, today I'm going to show you how to manage your iOS device without iTunes very easily. For example, if you need to transfer songs from iPhone to PC or PC to iPhone, you can do it very easily. First of all, you need to make sure that you have iTunes. iTunes. You should have iTunes installed on your PC. And the next thing that you need to do is to go to the link given in the description. The link will lead to this site. You need to download iTools. After downloading iTools, the file will appear like this. The thing to do is to extract this file on your iTools. Extract these on your desktop. I have already, so I will replace it. Delete this readme file. Delete this readme file, and the iTools icon will appear on your desktop like this. Now what you need to do is to open the iTools and insert your device. Let me insert my device in here. Done. Oh, wait. My device has not installed. Let me do it again. Now it has been done. Okay, now it is saying device connecting. Let us wait. Now the first thing that will open is iTunes. You need to do is to just cross iTunes, and these things will appear here. Now let me show you. For example, you want to import songs from your PC to your iPhone. What you need to do is to click on media here, and like you need to import songs from your PC, so just click on import here and select songs. For example, let me go to my songs folder. Let me show you. Like songs, um, like I need to transfer these songs. Just select the song and click import. If you want to select more songs, you can select all the three songs and click import like this. So I will select this song and click import. Waiting files. The file has been copied. The song will be here. It might be here, and I have a large song list, so I'm not able to show you where it has might gone, but it will be there on your iPhone. Similarly, if you want to export the song but to you from your iPhone to PC, what you need to do is to click on export. Sorry, please choose an item. For example, I choose this and this, but if you want to choose more, you can choose more. You can choose any number of items that you want. For now I just need one, so I will take one. Click on export, select the place where I want to export. I will select desktop to show you, and that has been done. The song is here, and I will show the file type also. It's mp3, so the song has been exported. Similarly, if you want your photos, you can do like that. So if you want to import this photo, well, if you want to export this photo to your PC, click on export, select the place, for example again desktop, and I do it. See, the photo is here. The photo is here. Similarly, if you want to import the photo in this, so you click on import camera. Oh sorry, you need to click on camera, and you need to go on photos. Now here you cannot, here you will select any album. For you cannot import photos in your camera roll directly, so you need to import photos in a new album. I have created this new album IMPix, that is imported pics. So click this album, click on import, and select any file. Let me show you by selecting it, photos. Like you can select any of the files. You can select two, you can select one. Let me import these two files. Just click import, and similarly these two files will also be imported. Now as I don't need it, I will delete this file. I'm not wanting them to use. Now when that has been done, you can also assess your contacts. Like these are my contacts. If you have iCloud enabled, you cannot access your contact, but if you don't have iCloud, you can access. So if you want to access from PC, disable iCloud backing up, disable iCloud, and don't back up your contacts to iCloud. Simply you need to select the contact, import/export, export contacts, export to Outlook, Gmail, CSV file, VCF file. Yeah, I will export it to a CSV file on only desktop and save. The file name I'll keep anything and just save it. And here are the contacts, the two contacts that I want. Let me show you on airplane. Where are it? These are the contacts as you see. You can also do the VCF file. I like this type file, but you can also use the VCF. Now coming back, and now if you want to make a ringtone of a song, that you can also do. For example, again go to media, and if you want to make a ringtone of this song, just select the song only one, not two, make ringtone, and it will ask you for your duration. It will ask you for the duration, that how much time you want it to set start, set end. You can do it as you will. So I showed you a simple software that is a great alternative for iTunes and can do everything that iTunes do in a simple way. If you like my video, comment and subscribe please. Thank you.